Ultimate frugal money-saving hacks revealed. In this video, we'll share amazing tips to save your hard-earned dollars. But here's a little secret. Hack number 10 is something nobody's doing, a way to get items for free. So stay tuned for that unique gem. Ready to transform your finances? Let's dive in. Hack number 1, meal planning. By simply planning your meals ahead of time, you can avoid unnecessary trips to the grocery store, reduce food waste, and save money. It's a win-win. Hack number 2, DIY cleaning products. Why spend a fortune on cleaning supplies when you can make your own? With common household items like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice, you can create effective and budget-friendly cleaning solutions. Hack number 3, couponing. This old-school technique still works wonders. By clipping coupons from newspapers or using digital ones, you'll be amazed at how much you can save on your regular shopping trips. Don't forget to check out discounted gift cards too. Hack number 4, energy-saving strategies. Reduce your monthly utility bills by implementing simple changes. Turn off lights when you're not using them, unplug devices when they're not in use, and make the most of natural light. These small steps can add up to big savings. Hack number 5, buying in bulk. Purchasing household essentials in bulk can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Plus, you'll always have those items on hand when you need them. Hack number 6, embrace secondhand. From clothing to furniture, buying secondhand items can save you a ton of cash. Thrift stores, yard sales, and online marketplaces are treasure troves for frugal shoppers. Hack number 7, track your expenses. Knowledge is power. By keeping a close eye on your spending habits, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and adjust accordingly. There are plenty of budgeting apps that can help you stay on track. Hack number 8, reduce dining out and prioritize home-cooked meals. Eating out at restaurants or ordering takeout can quickly add up. By cooking more meals at home, you can save a significant amount of money and have more control over your ingredients and portion sizes. Hack number 9, carpool or use public transportation. If you typically drive alone to work or run errands, consider carpooling with coworkers or using public transportation when possible. Sharing rides or using public transit can save you money on fuel, parking, and maintenance costs for your vehicle. Hack number 10, host a swap and share party. Organize a gathering with friends or neighbors where everyone brings items they no longer need or use. Then, swap or share these items with others at the party. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to acquire new things without spending a dime while decluttering your home in the process. Plus, it encourages community bonding and reduces waste. And there you have it, our ultimate frugal money-saving hacks. We hope these tips inspire you to be more intentional with your money and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving advice and tips.